Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is a gaming review of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Starting with PUBG on default settings, which is balanced graphics and medium frame rates. It's running pretty smoothly so far. Now switching to the max settings, which is HD graphics and high frame rates. It doesn't support HDR. Pretty much one of the smoothest experiences I've had on this channel. Let's go to the next game, Asphalt 9. So other than the fact that I totally suck at this game, maybe it's the controller settings that I'm not used to, I didn't notice any frame drops and it really didn't stutter, not even once. Our last game as usual is the Pro Evolution Soccer 2019 but on max settings, which is high resolution graphics and 60 frames per second. Fantastic gameplay. We don't have any static leg movement here, and if you notice, this is one game that doesn't utilize all of the display. It really doesn't bother me, and gaming on a display this big is so much better. So for those wondering if this is the perfect gaming device, I would say Fortnite is about the only popular game that it won't run. So if that's not your cup of tea, I would highly recommend the Y9 2019 for gamers on a budget. It got slightly warm on the back, which is okay after 30 minutes of gaming. Do let me know your overall thoughts in the comments, and I'm also taking requests for my next video as well. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Please subscribe for more videos like this as it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.